Okay, for just now the patient, so he has a problem with his foot. Okay, in medical terms we call it plantar fasciitis. So what happens is that there's inflammation in one of the band of tissues in the foot. So for TCM, in TCM's perspective, what we do is you use acupuncture method. And we have a microtizer which uses microwave energy to reduce inflammation of the band of tissue which is affected. And then of course there will be the traditional tuina which helps to relax and improve blood circulation of the band of muscles. Okay, usually for such patients, it depends on their condition, the severity of their condition, and how long has it been around for. Usually, we would expect at least a month to two for a large amount of results to be seen. Of course, the patient has to do his or her own stretching exercises, and of course, rest is very important for recovery. Of course, together with the intake of oral medication, it would help in the recovery process. Not only oral medication, but also external medication, where we would use herbs, boiled herbs, to help to we will ask the patient to soak their feet in the herbs to help to improve the condition. The herbs will normally contain herbs to help to reduce to improve blood circulation, to reduce inflammation, and of course to promote healing and reduce pain in the patient.
像刚刚这位患者的话，他是因为他是专业的运动员，所以说他的小腿肌肉会长期的过度使用，造成一个劳损。然后这个的话，基本上是一个软组织损伤，然后足底筋膜炎的状况。所以说，我们针对刚刚所做的手法跟针对的肌肉，是对他的腓肠肌跟比目肌去做他的肌肉的放松跟梳理，然后针对他的找到他相关对应的触发点，把他这个筋节松开、揉开以后，他的脚底的疼痛啊，还有那个拉紧感，就会跟着慢慢的减轻。
So I come to Kin Tek Tong Clinic because I feel that Chinese medicine goes back thousands of years. Okay, so like there's Western medicine, which has obviously is the predominant method of treatment in Singapore. But at the same time, I recognize that Chinese medicine goes back thousands of centuries, and it's been developed over all these years, and that it's worked for so many people that there must be something about it that works well. So I'm not against trying something new if it helps us improve our performance or get over injuries or this and that. And I believe that Chinese medication has there are a lot of things about Chinese medication that the Western medicine hasn't really discovered yet. So I believe that this is something that I'm interested to explore. And recently I came down with a plantar fasciitis, a pain in my heel because of tightness in my arch. And coming to Kin Tek Tong has really helped me a lot because in terms of be it massage or acupuncture or microwave therapy treatment with the machine, it's all helped my body to manage the injury, and I can now train pain-free. The pain is a little bit there after training, but it's so much better than a month ago and a lot better than 2 months ago. And a lot of it is time healing the injury, but I believe that the treatment from Kin Tek Tong has really helped me get over this injury as well.